This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your iPad supports animated wallpapers. Check settings for iPad OS 16 or later and model compatibility. Once done, open the App Store and install a trusted live wallpaper app or select a live photo you already made. Make sure Reduce Motion is off in Settings Accessibility so animations display. Now, launch Photos or the Wallpaper app and choose the live photo. You're about to assign motion to your lock screen, so follow the next steps carefully. You will now apply the live photo as your wallpaper. Go to Settings, Wallpaper, add New Wallpaper and select Live Photos or the album created by your app. Once selected, press and hold the preview to confirm the live effect. This toggles the motion preview. Adjust crop, zoom, and perspective until it looks right. Then tap Set and choose Lock Screen. Make sure to preserve any lock screen widgets or appearance settings. This keeps your layout intact while enabling the live motion. Finish by locking the iPad and long pressing the lock screen to trigger the live photo. You should see the motion play. If you don't, check that the wallpaper type is live photo, not still image, and confirm Reduce Motion remains off. Also verify the Wallpaper app has photos permission if you used one. If problems persist, restart your iPad, reselect the live photo, or reinstall the app. This clears temporary glitches and usually restores the live wallpaper behavior quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.